intro. Alright, so let's get right to it. So I got a couple shout outs I got to do. Great channels. The first one is for Tandem C Television. If you've never been over to this channel, I mean, I can't imagine you haven't. But if you haven't, you gotta go check this guy out. His building is, I don't know, I can't explain it. I just can't explain it. All I can say is he's talented. He's incredible. He's doing a rust bucket, and he's doing a USA 250 year anniversary Rado build. You gotta check it out, man. It's like the roof is like a sardine can twisted back, and it's even got the little key that goes with it. But yeah, I just can't say enough about this channel. So go over, give him a like. Better yet, give him a sub. Tell him I sent you. You're going to be mighty glad that you did. And secondly, we have Noelle, the Wicked Crafter. Noelle is new to building. WT is actually her husband. You would not even begin to think that she is new to building. Her building is like just spot on, so clean. She did a autism awareness build with a Jeep. The style that she painted it with all the puzzle pieces, and she's incredible. You'd watch her channel and be like, there's no way that this woman has just started building. She hasn't been done it, but she is new. She is new to it. Go check her out. You'll be glad you did. Give her a sub. Tell her I sent you. You are gonna be amazed at just how good Noelle is at building. I will leave the link for these folks down below, as well as anybody else I might mention as we talk and move along. I will also have their links below. All right. So what have I been up to? I don't know. Let's take a look, shall we? All right. So what's been going on? This is my disaster. So we were working on doing the monster car here. I got the body on. I painted it. I got to repaint this whole side here. I did get a bit of a run on the paint over here. I'm sure you can see that. The frame still a little too long. My measurement apparently was off. So I got to shorten the frame a little bit still. You got to get especially the rear wheel wells are very, very, very offset. So got to fix that. But anyway, I put the cage back together. Still got to do a little sanding here, and yeah, like I said, got to shorten it, which I'm sad about. I thought I did good measuring, but I guess I didn't. So anyway, but this is done. I got the interior in there. I did repaint the engine. I don't know, probably can't see it that well. I took it from the all gold and went several different colors, silver, black, yada yada. So yeah, there's that so far. I'm gonna have to get back to it because I have started the rust bucket build. There goes my hood. All right, I'm back. So I got all of my prints cleaned up. There's the picnic table. I think the picnic table looks a little more to size now that I've cleaned it up, gotten all the supports and stuff off of it. I think it's looking good. The cooler I showed you. Here's a little better view now. If it focuses, I think it's focused. But anyway, there's that. Got my hoist, my engine hoist. So, yeah, the only thing I've done is, as I was thinking about how I want this to go, I did put together a Hemi. So this is actually going to be on the engine hoist, like it's part of the restoration process for one of the Impalas. So yeah, so there's, haven't wired it. I just finished painting it and printing out the 4 barrels. This is going to be in the other car. I'm leaving the valve covers off because this kit build, this kit actually has the rocker arms in the engine part. So come on, hello. Just does not want to focus today. Let's try this trick. There you go. So there it is. I mixed gray and black. I used craft paints, and those are pretty thick, so I didn't thin them down. I let them stay thick to give it a goopy look. In the beginning, you saw a couple videos of one of my builds on drag strip. One with the engine blowing up, and the other successful race. Those are made by Billy over at Crankenstein Creations. Unbelievable channel. He is so cool. He took a little sabbatical. He's back now. He did lose some subscribers while he was away for a little bit, but I'm telling you, you got to go check him out. He with the mods is just incredible. Yeah, I can't say enough about Billy. So go over, check him out. Tell him I sent you. You're gonna be really, really glad you did. All these channels, you're gonna be really amazed with all of them. So go check them out. Give them a sub. Like I said, tell them I sent you. With that, I want to thank all my old, new subscribers. And if you're just passing by and you like this kind of stuff, if you don't mind, give me a like. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video. With that, thank you again. Have a great day. God bless. And I will see you next time.